with another video. I wanted to do a quick brow routine. I have very sparse brows. You can't see here, but you will see when I start my brows. They're very thin. I got them waxed a lot when I was younger, and they just won't grow back. I had to live through the very skinny brow trend. Anyways, they won't grow back. I've tried microblading. It's kind of faded. It was kind of nice, but I still found myself wanting to fill them in. I could probably get more microblading, but it hurts and I'm a weenie. So in the meantime, I've found some products that really work for me. I'm gonna go ahead and probably do a voiceover through this. So if you want to see how I do my brows, pretty quick, pretty easy. Coming from where I started, it was a struggle doing my brows. So I'm super excited about these products. If you want to see how I do my brows, just keep on watching. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm starting off with my Pixi by Petra. This is the Endless Brow Gel Pen in the color medium. And I like to start by filling out the bottom line of the brows and then the top line of the brows to kind of get an idea of the shape that I want to do for the brow. I'll go ahead and then bring it down towards the tail end and fill in the full brow. And I really like the texture of this brow pencil. It has become one of my favorites. It's super easy to use. I love that it's a gel texture, so it really helps hold the hairs in place. I love the color. It matches well. It doesn't make them look super drawn on. I feel like it kind of gives a little bit more of a natural shade to the brows and just creates a more natural shape for my brows. So once I get these two shapes to look fairly good, I'm now going to use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and taking the spoolie, I will comb the hairs in place again just to make sure that they're where they should be. And then it also helps me see which sparse areas need to be filled in, and I will use the pencil to draw in little hair-like strokes and get a more defined brow. Adds some dimension to the brows, a little more texture, and just kind of completes the hair-like strokes. And once that looks good, I will take my Milani Easybrow Tinted Fiber Gel to create some volume on the brows. I like to comb through. Oop! Sometimes I smudge, sometimes I get this all over the place, but I just go ahead and finish combing through the brows, gives them a nice shape, adds some volume, and then I'll grab a Q-tip and go ahead and clean up any little spots that got messy. And then I'm taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This has been my favorite concealer to clean up my brows. I've had this one for so long. And using the Makeup Shack brush in T2. It's kind of dirty because this is the one I use every day to clean up my brows. And I will just start cleaning up the bottom, covering any loose hairs I might have or any pigment that got out of place. And it just kind of defines and gives them a very clean look. Can also go on top and clean up any other product that got messy. And repeat the same on the other side. Go ahead and sharpen that tail up, bring back some shape into it. Oop. And then once again, taking the spoolie, just comb all the brow hairs into place and make sure that I don't need to touch anything up and that the hairs are standing up and looking more full. And this completes my brows. Guys, thanks for watching my brow tutorial. I hope you liked it. Tutorial? I guess. how I do my brows, what I like to do, I guess I should say. So those are the products I use. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all the fun social media stuff will be linked down below. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will hope to see you soon.